Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily News Editorial. In this channel, we regularly cover editorial page section of different newspaper. In today's video, I will be covering the Hindu newspaper editorial page article dated 4th of August. That's today. This article talks about the ongoing India and England cricket matches, which will start very soon. So let's begin. Time and patience. India seems ready for England in cricket's longest format After extended waiting period. Just as Indian hockey's Olympic trust draws rightful attention in Tokyo, Virat Kohli's men will don whites and play their test series in England. The first test commencing at Nottingham's Trent Bridge on Wednesday will kickstart a five-match joust stretching all the way to September 14 due to bio-bubble protocols and the World Test Championship final that India lost to New Zealand at Southampton on June 23. Kohli and company have been in England since June first week. Perhaps this is the longest an Indian squad has stayed overseas prior to an opening test, and there was adequate time to get acclimatized. After the contest involving New Zealand, the players took a break, savoured the countryside, Euro and Wimbledon, and added just to their Instagram accounts. They then reverted to the bubble and had a warm-up fixture against a country select 11. Meanwhile, Rishabh Pant recovered from COVID-19 and injured Shubham Gill returned home and Mayank Agrawal surfaced a concussion and was ruled out of the first test. Even so, India is seemingly in a better headspace, an important attribute while containing England in its backyard. Ever since its maiden tour of England in 1932, India has won only three series: 1971, 1986, and 2007. At the old Blitty, having amused Australia, India wants to replicate that feat in cricket's birthplace. With its whimsical skies torn between the sun and feathery rain, and pitches favoring the sultans of pace, England is a hard testing ground. A cautionary fact is that India lost all its three previous tours during 2011, 2014, and 2018. It would be interesting to see what walks out along with it would be interesting to see who walks out along with Rohit Sharma as his fellow opener KL Rahul has a chance while Chiteswar Pujara, Kohli, and Ajinkya Rahane would constitute the middle order. Hanuma Vihari is part of the mix, with Pant leading match-altering flair. A pace attack headlined by Jasprit Bumrah along with R. Ashwin leading his spin argues well and seemingly India have the right man. Yet there are worry lines. By their exalted standards, Kohli, Pujara, and Rahane have had a lean patch, and Bumrah was not on fire against New Zealand. However, the team management sees this as an aberration. Facing off against India, England has keeper Joe Root and the pace com- combine of James Anderson and Stuart Broad to fall back upon. But there is no Jofra Archer and the exit of all-rounder Ben Stokes citing mental issues and the need for rest is a blow to the host. Exactly 50 years after registering its maiden series victory in England, India is back for another tilt. With just the walking wounded and its bench strength, India stunned Australia. Kohli is banking on that memory to turn the tide. That's end of the article. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.